Hey, this is Dave, and I wanted to welcome you to build your affiliate site. We're going to be going through everything in this 10-part series. It's a free video series, and we're going to be talking to you about how to build your affiliate site beginner course. Okay, now what I'm going to show you how to do is this site right here that you see, Snap Online Business. I'm going to show you how to build a site like this, show you how to get all the traffic onto it. And the best part of this, folks, is we're going to do it with strictly organic traffic. A lot of people think you need to do paid traffic, but I'm going to show you you do not have to do that. So let's get started right now with the first module. And what we're going to do here is you're going to learn how to get your domain. Okay. Now I use a site called leandomainsearch.com. And if you can grab that from the top there, that's leandomainsearch.com. And let's just assume you already know what niche you want to do. Let's face it, there's a lot of videos out there that talk to you about the niche. I recommend just a few different niches. You can do health and nutrition. You can do make money online, affiliate marketing. You can do, dating, relationships, financial. There's a lot of different niches. If you just Google, top 10 niches, you'll find something. But let's just say, for argument's sake, we're going to say you're going to do the niche of nutrition. So we're going to type this in. This is the best part of this here right now. You're going to pop in the word nutrition and you get all kinds of ideas on what you're going to do. Okay. And these are all domain names. So go through it, figure out which one you want. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to use a company called Namecheap. Now with Namecheap, I'm going to go ahead and you want to set up an account. It's a free account to set up. Okay. Now I've already got a domain that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use a domain called highrankaffiliate.com. Okay. Let me go ahead and log into here, and domain name search. So I'm going to go ahead and put my highrankaffiliate.com. I'm going to go ahead and search this, and it's going to come up here right on the side, $7.98 a year. Can't beat that. So I'm going to go ahead, and now the only other thing you want to add on here is WordPress hosting. So you're going to buy the domain, which is just under $8 a year. You're going to do the WordPress hosting of $14.94 a year. Now you can go monthly if you want, totally up to you. I like to be able to get it all done in a year, but that's fine. So if you're going to go ahead and check out, it's $23.10. Okay, and go ahead and check out. Okay, and now. Okay, perfect. So now what we've done here is we've got the domain. Now it might take a couple minutes to get this set up here. If it does, I will be coming back to do this in the next video, but let me see how fast this actually works for us. So we've got our domain search. Okay, we use the keyword. Now I'm using affiliate. All right, so let's just say use the word nutrition. Figure out what domain you want to do, then you're going to buy it on Namecheap. Okay. All right, and it's just taking its time here. And then folks, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be coming back in the next video, and we're going to talk to you about how to get this WordPress set up, which is the platform we're going to use. So come back to the next video, video number 2. We're going to show you how to get this website set up, and it's going to be really fast. In the meantime, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Tell me how you like this video and see what we can do to help you out more, folks. I really appreciate you. Thank you.